Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting the precise identifiers, VIN, model year, and trim. This narrows results so you compare apples to apples. Next, pick your primary databases, IS, NHTSA, or Euro NCAP, because each uses different crash tests and rating scales. While you're at it, list current safety equipment on the car, like airbags, ESC, and EB. That matters since optional packages change scores. Once done, you're ready to run targeted searches rather than guessing at summary ratings. You now query official sites using the VIN or exact model and trim. VIN gives the most precise match. On IS, examine small overlap and moderate overlap performance. On NHTSA, check frontal, side, and rollover star ratings. Compare differences side by side. Some cars perform well in one test but poorly in another, which affects real-world risk. Also consult child seat compatibility and active recall records. Those change safety immediately. Make sure to log the test year, because standards and designs evolve rapidly. You finish by aggregating the ratings and translating them into practical risk. Prioritize tests that match your common crash scenarios and driving conditions. If ratings conflict, double-check build year, optional safety packages, and any aftermarket modifications that might alter performance. Those details often explain discrepancies. If you find missing or unclear data, contact the manufacturer or dealer and request specific test documentation or VIN-specific reports. Troubleshooting tip: if a report seems wrong, verify VIN accuracy first. Most errors trace back to a single digit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.